Compatible with Windows 10 and 11. When unboxing your new Archer TX20U Plus, you will see 3 items. A universal quick installation guide that shows how to connect the 2 types of adapters we sell, the adapter itself, and a 1 meter USB 3.0 extension cable. Connect the extension cable to your computer and then to the Archer TX20U Plus. Complete by removing the protective film on top of the adapter. New for TP-Link adapters, the driver will be preloaded on the adapter itself. When connected, a window will open on your screen. Double-click on setupinstall.exe to begin the setup process. TP-Link drivers are not digitally signed but are safe to use. Please wait for the installation process to complete. Click on the network icon in your system tray. Find your network SSID and click on it. Click on Connect, type in your network password, and click Next. You may be asked to make the PC discoverable on the network. Answer this question to complete the connection. You can click on the network icon in the system tray to confirm connection. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and join our community to see more from TP-Link.